Catherine by Alex Gonzaga. So yun yung nagiging struggle ko for a while. And, ito na, naiyak na ako. And mahirap siyang aminin sa sarili mo na I'm a weak person. Yung mukha kang matapang sa harap ng maraming tao, pero ang bilis mong masaktan. Pag may sinabi sa'yo or may ginawa sa'yo yung isang tao, parang apektado ka, pero ayaw mong maging ganong klaseng tao. Ayaw mong masabi na, mahina yan eh. Ay, naku, mabilis lang yan. Ano yan, push over yan. So, ang kailangan mong gawin is, kailangan mong tapangan yung sarili mo na it will come off as mayabang ka. I'm in my mid-30s and you're still trying to figure out kung how will you be strong but you will not look like you're mayabang or you will not look like you're prideful. Pero siyempre, sometimes, mag-overpower sa'yo yung galit, mag-overpower sa'yo yung pride mo. Sa totoo, wala naman talaga akong pride. Pero mag-overpower sa'yo yun. Kung pareho kita, yung mabilis mawala yung galit mo. Parang pagka napagalitan ka or nainis ka, naging mabait agad sa'yo yung tao. Parang nakakalimutan mo na. But what I'm just saying is, diba, parang kailangan iset mo yung boundary na you will have to love yourself. You will have to make a stand. But at the same time, you won't look like you're mayabang. Pero syempre, isipin mo din yung dapat matapang ka, dapat kaya mo yung mga binibigay sa'yo na challenges. Oo naman, nakakaya mo naman yun. So, minsan, yun yung iniisip ko na parang, grabe, by the grace of God, ang dami-dami kong pinagdadaanan, pero hindi ko na share sa inyo lahat. Even sa husband ko, hindi ko na share. It's all in me. Tapos, I get by. Nakaka-survive ka. And that's the power of the grace of God because hindi mo naiisip na, grabe, nagawa ko pala yun. Nakaya ko pala yun. Diba? Isipin mo ngayon lahat ng bagay na yung sobrang down ka. Like there was a time in my life, I was really down because I don't have love life. Wala akong career. Tapos parang feeling ko, I'm not as special as my sister in my family. That's what I felt. Which is, I'm pretty sure hindi naman ganun. Pero yun yung nararamdaman mo. So, sobra kong lungkot and then I have to look for a love life to compensate yung nararamdaman ko, yung doubts ko sa sarili ko na parang, am I loved? Or tama ba yung nararamdaman ko? So, ang nangyayari is, grabe naman yung iyak ko dito. So, ang nangyayari is, sobra ko talagang, hindi ko masabing depressed kasi I wasn't really clinically diagnosed na depressed. Pero, I felt that yung sinasabi ng mga kaibigan ko na sinasabi ko na may butas yung puso ko. That's what I felt. I felt na talagang I was really alone in my journey. And then, pagkakausapin mo yung mommy mo, mag-a-agree pa sila na, oh, tama naman kasi sila. Which is, it made me a better person kasi hindi nila ako tinotolerate. Tama naman. Pero parang there was a time in your life na parang sobra kang minomolde ng Panginoon or ng buhay to become the better version of yourself. And you all just feel the pain of parang sinishred lahat ng galit mo, lahat ng yabang mo, lahat ng pagkatao mo, sinishred. Kasi nga, para maging butterfly ka. So, there was a time na talagang sobra akong depressed and I'm just very, very thankful that I had my friends na talagang I felt na I'm heard. You know, I'm very blessed because right now I have Spotify. So even if tatlo lang kayong nakikinig ngayon, parang I feel na I have someone listening to me. Pag ngayon nalulukbak ko siya, parang grabe ang lungkot ko pala nun. Sobra kong lungkot nun. Sa sarili ko, I wasn't happy with who I am. I wasn't happy with what I am. I wasn't happy with sa kasama ko. But I got by. Parang now, looking back, wow, nagawa ko yun.